Hi, I'm Koya Webb, and I'm going to show you how to make vegan, gluten-free, high-protein overnight oats. I know, it's a lot. It's a mouthful, but it's super delicious. So you really don't even need a blender, but if you want to consume it right away, you can do that too. So I'm going to show you both ways. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have all your ingredients. You need a half a cup of gluten-free oats, a tablespoon of plant-based protein, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now you can add whatever berry you want, strawberries, cherries, blueberries, raspberries. I have blueberries here and they are so delicious. I prefer wild blueberries. They're really high in antioxidants and they're really gonna add a nice color to our dish, and I like snacking on them as well. So good. So it's really important that you mix the protein, whatever plant-based protein you choose, in with your overnight oats first. So we're just gonna mix it in, 1 tablespoon. And you just wanna really make sure it gets mixed up. Okay, and then to that, we're gonna add our water. And now you want to mix your protein and your water and your oats really nicely. Just gonna mix that up. If you have seen my video for instant almond milk, you can actually do that and you don't really have to go through, because it's actually the same ingredients. The almond milk, the vanilla, the cinnamon. But if you don't have that, then you have to kind of make it over here. And you're just gonna mix it in nice and easy. You see it's gonna just melt perfectly. Even if you have some little swirls in there, it's fine, but it's mixing really nicely. Then you're gonna put your teaspoon of maple syrup. Then you're just gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. I love cinnamon, so I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon. And I love, love, love vanilla, so I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of vanilla as well. Then I'm gonna mix it up again, and cinnamon is really good. I eat cinnamon almost every single day. It's really great to curb your appetite, also increase your circulation, and it just smells good. It gives this nice, warm flavor to everything that you put it in, and a lot of times when you're in a hurry, that warm flavor just feels really good. I can continue mixing it if I want, or you can kind of leave it kind of on top with the cinnamon, because once you place it and you just want to pour it in your jar, there you go, perfect. And you see how that fills all the way up to the top. It's absolutely perfect. And then you just put your top on, and then it's ready for the morning. So this is really quick and easy. You pop this in the fridge, leave it for at least an hour, or you can leave it overnight, hence overnight oats. And then you wake up in the morning and you can just put the blueberries on top, or you can blend it. But let's say you're like, oh, I want those oats right now. You can use your blender and actually blend it together, and you can have it as a snack, which is what I love to do, especially if I'm really hungry. Sometimes before bed, I don't want to eat bad, but I want something a little bit sweet. So I actually make this dish, and then I put it in the blender. And I just put a handful of blueberries in the blender, and then I blend it up. So I'm not gonna do my blender boogie this time, because we really just need to pulse it very lightly. And that's it. It smells so delicious. The oats are already pretty much done, so it really doesn't matter if it's like really chunky. It's really chunky right now, and I absolutely love that. Let's see how it is. So good. It tastes good just like this. And I love the pop of blueberry in there. This is a very delicious snack, especially if you've been working out all day, you've had a long day. It's a great high protein snack to have right before you go to bed. So try it out. Let me know how you like it. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or you have your favorite recipe, then leave it below. And just let me know what you'd like to see more of on this channel. Until next time, get loved up, make your overnight oats, and do your blender boogie. Hey, hey. Do I have something in my teeth? I always get blueberries in my teeth. This is so good. Does anyone else want some? Because I'm gonna. finish it. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm.